Training Getting Started, Help section. When you connect to OLOtech and receive a message on security, don't worry, the information is always encoded, HTTP or HTTPS. When you connect for the first time, you need to change your password. You can also decide to have a different starting page and limit your access to a specific division. You also need to search for your company and edit to complete information for display and printing. Company need to be changed by OLOtech. In administration preference, you can add a logo that will be used for printing and for displaying. And you can add a starting page for the welcome of your customer. You can also decide to have a specific color background or to upload an image as a background. In list, you can create division. Division will be used all around the software. And in report, you have to choose product division or record division. In list, you have utilities where all countries are. You need to activate them if you need it. Into currency, you create the different currencies. And in administration, you decide which currency will be by default and shouldn't be changed after startup. In administration, you have auto-numbering, where you decide the amount of digit and the prefix for each division. To start from a specific number, you allow modification.